Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I know I recently just posted, but not be bothered. I just wanted to do something. Don't really care. So today we're gonna be playing Monkey Do. I know we just played it live game recently. This one's really cool.
Where is Hudson? Where did Hudson go? We need to start a new army again. But where did Hudson go?
Alright. Let's try that again.
There's so many people.
Hey, Bongo, just imagine all those things.
Okay.
No. No. Wish. No. Nope. Damn it.
Yo, Apple guy, you can join our penguin army.
$5.99.
Apple, you wanna join our penguin army?
All day long, baby.
Oh, what's the only penguin in here? Where did my penguins go?
Let's check if horror mode is still on.
Where is my penguin?
Real Penguin! Penguin! Yo, Penguin, I'm in the room.
Oh, right now coming.
And I'm digging through the battle pass.
Wait, you have the battle pass?
Yeah.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I'm in there now. Hello, fellow Penguin.
I can walk through this.
Hello.
Wait, where's the pickaxe?
I'm right behind you. Hello.
Where's the pickaxe?
I'm gonna go back to hang out now.
Yeah, I'm coming with you.
Yeah.
This is not a treasure chest. It's my poo. Ah, there's Viva.
Oh yeah, level up.
Oh, sorry.
For a second.
You were in my way, my fellow monkey.
I went to the Mario universe. I got the invincibility star.
Yeah, baby.
He's a non-penguin.
Mamma mia! Here are some portals.
Dead. No penguin dead.
Try Flamingo Island. I'll get you for this.
My fellow penguin.
Calm as a B word.
Yes, thank you. Your penguin, what are you doing? No. You're a non-penguin. No, you're a non-penguin. Oh, you're that guy. I think I'm gonna go. See ya.
Mamma mia, this is really hard to use.
Hold on, I just got this hack today that's cookie thing. It looks so funny.
It's a me, a Mario! Oh. Grab it! Whoa! Oh my god, that was amazing! Got it. Replay.
Wait, how are you so good?
Oh, we're about dead. Whoa. Wow.
That's not gonna help you though, boy. Hey, dude. I spotted you. No, you're not running away from me now. Nah, you did not want to try to run away. Looks like you've treated a little
Let's see
bit.
what kind of dude Olympics I'm good at.
Oh, never mind. You're still a kid. You getting that water?
Okay. Whoa, whoa. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna get stuck under here. No, guys, I'm stuck. Help. I made it. I'm alive. Do we really have to do these kind of doodly? Ah! Lava! How do you expect us to get through lava? Oh, my butthole! The winner's coming! I'm a wiener! Oh! I bet you can't do this kind of stuff. Wait, switch it back to lava. Makes the game more fun. Switch it back to lava.
Oh, you want to be like that? You get in there, I.
Ah! Oh. Weave. Come on, we need some lava. Switch it to lava. It's a lot more fun.
Water, finally.
Oh, right in the face. Haha, sucker. You can't get me. Please, can you switch it to lava? Oh, there it is. Go on then. No. Yeah, I thought you could try and with me.
It's gonna get, né? you done it. Oh, let me do it real quick, guys. Hold up. Don't stop hitting
Pool
me.
is lava.
Pool is water.
Yeah, bro, yeah, you think you're so good. You think you're so good, huh?
Turn on the bamboo.
Hello.
Turn on the vines. That should be it. Yep. Come on, everyone. Let's do this.
And that's posted. Let me look at
I just fought jump. Ah! Huh? Woo! Hot. Hot. Oh, hell no. You think you could do that?
Get out of here.
Ouch. Go on then. Oh, you can try it, bro. Miss me. Miss me. Miss me. Ha ha.
I'm missing heart. No, I'm missing
Lava. Perfect. My game. Miss me. Miss me. Woo! Hot. You guys are just bad. That's why you can't hit me.
Come up here. Oh, come up here.
Miss me.
You suck. No. I hate you.
Still miss me, loser. Miss
do
me.
what you're doing. Have your duo.
Ha! Sucker! I'm gonna open that back
Oh,
up
you have your duo.
and then back.
Hey, yo, dude, throw something at me. Throw me, I dare you.
That's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm tired.